Stop comparing yourself to others. Stop. Yes, you. Stop comparing yourself to others, because what you're seeing is not the full story. Let me tell you a short story. There was a young man named Arif. Every morning he opened his phone, and every morning he felt worse. His friend just bought a new car. Another friend got a promotion. Someone else was traveling in Bali, smiling, laughing, living the dream. And Arif? He was sitting in his small room, staring at the same old walls. "Why is everyone ahead of me?" he whispered. One day, Arif met his old teacher in a small coffee shop. "Why do you look so tired?" the teacher asked. Arif forced a smile. "Everyone is doing better than me. I feel left behind." The teacher didn't answer immediately. Instead, he pointed outside. "Look," he said. Across the street there were two plants. One was tall, green, and growing fast. The other was small, barely moving. "Which one is better?" the teacher asked. Arif laughed. "Obviously the tall one." The teacher smiled. "Look closer." The tall plant was a sunflower. The small one was a bamboo. "Do you know something about bamboo?" the teacher asked. Arif shook his head. "For the first few years," the teacher said, "bamboo doesn't grow much above the ground. But underground, it's building roots. Deep roots. Strong roots. Then one day, it grows faster than almost anything." Arif was quiet. "So, I might just be bamboo?" The teacher laughed. "Exactly. Everyone you compare yourself to," the teacher continued, "you're only seeing their highlight, not their struggle. That friend with the new car? He might be drowning in debt. That traveler? Maybe they're running away from problems. That successful person? You didn't see the years they failed. You're comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's best moments." Arif looked down at his coffee. For the first time, he smiled. "So what should I do?" The teacher leaned forward. "Compete with only one person. The person you were yesterday." That night, Arif opened his phone again. Same people, same posts, same smiles. But this time, he didn't feel small. He whispered, "My time is coming." And step by step, day by day, he started growing. Not like a sunflower, but like bamboo. So let me ask you, why are you rushing your story? Why are you comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20? You don't need to be faster. You just need to keep growing. Stop comparing yourself to others, because your journey, your timing, your growth is yours. And that's your power. If this message helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. And remember, you're not behind. You're just growing in your own way.